What does it mean when your budgie chirps a lot? Hello there, budgie enthusiasts. Today, we'll be discussing the meaning behind the frequently chirping behavior of your beloved budgie. Chirping is a way for budgies to communicate with each other, both to express emotions and to convey information. Let's dive into the different aspects of why your budgie might be chirping. Firstly, it's essential to understand that budgies are monogamous birds, which means they have only one mate for the entire lifetime. When a budgie finds a new partner, it might start chirping to alert its existing partner about the new arrival. This helps maintain the social hierarchy within the group. In addition to communication, budgie chirping can also signify happiness, excitement, or contentment. For example, if you find your budgie perched on your hand, tail wagging and chirping, it's likely feeling great and looking for some affection. On the other hand, if the chirping becomes more frequent and rapid, it could mean the budgie is in distress or experiencing a negative emotion. Lastly, it's essential to consider that budgies are nocturnal creatures, which means they're most active during the night. As a result, they might become chirping more frequently during the night to seek companionship or to signal that they're ready for a bedtime routine. In conclusion, budgie chirping is a complex and multifaceted behavior that signifies various emotions and situations. Understanding the meaning behind your budgie's chirps can help you develop a deeper connection with your pet and ensure that they remain happy and healthy.